In Integrator IO, we've created templates to fast track your ability to implement trading partners specifically to NetSuite. These are located inside the marketplace. To find it, just type B2B. In here, you will see the template for B2B Manager with NetSuite. If I click on Preview, you'll see what is inside this template and all the EDI documents contained within it. So you will have 997, the functional acknowledgement, 810, NetSuite invoice to an EDI invoice, 856, NetSuite item fulfillment to advanced ship notices in EDI, 855, NetSuite sales order to purchase order acknowledgements, 860, purchase order change request to NetSuite sales order updates, 850, purchase orders to NetSuite sales orders. Once you install the template in the platform, this will be a partially built flow. So you will still be able to pick and choose which trading partner you want to utilize the template for. When you open the template, you will see all the listed EDI documents here and the different flows. So there's the purchase order 850 from EDI, the 860 NetSuite purchase order acknowledgement to an 855, NetSuite item fulfillments to 856, NetSuite invoices to 810 invoices, and then the functional acknowledgements. If I click into one of these, what you will see is that there is no source. So there is no trading partner, giving you free access to choose which trading partner the flow will be used for. One thing to point out is how you can quickly create new trading partners, new categories to organize this. And what we can do is to say, create a flow group. So in this case, I will say that I'm going to create a flow group for my trading partner target. And I'm going to save and close. Now I still have all of my unassigned EDI flows in Target, which currently has no flow. If I go back to this, I now have an 850. So let's say I want to clone my 850 flow to Target. I hit the 3-dot action menu, click Clone Flow, choose my NetSuite integration tile template, assign it to Target, and then click Clone Flow. This will verify that the bundle is installed in my NetSuite account. Once completed, I will have a clone of the 850 in Target, and I still retain all of my other flows here. This pool can be used multiple times, and you just clone to the additional trading partner as required. Once you're in this step, go to your source and choose the trading partner, in this case, Target, or whichever one is applicable for your use case. Once completed, you will have your Target flow ready to go. Once the clone flow is completed, go to your sources and pick from one of the trading partners in the list. As you can see here, it's under EDI trading partners, and the list is growing monthly as more trading partners are added. As we scroll through, you'll see many different trading partners, each with their own logo associated with their connector. For this example, I'm going to choose Costco. I'm going to choose Costco 850. Hit Next. Now, when I choose this, I can choose my Costco profile. So I'll have my connection established, my EDI profile, and then I'm going to pick the EDI definition for the 850. This will look like a completed flow step now. So now what we'll see is the Costco EDI consumption coming in and then going to NetSuite. And again, this can be repeated multiple times for multiple different trading partners as needed. Once you have multiple partners configured and set up ready to go, your tile would more than likely look more similar to this, where we would have multiple different trading partners, each with their own unique EDI document flows based on the needs of that specific trading partner. So for example, if I go and look at the Costco 850 here, the Costco parser will have its own specific rule definition here for the Costco 4010 850. So you can see that we're pulling the raw EDI coming in, and it is parsing it out to the JSON that NetSuite will then accept. And then when it comes to mapping to NetSuite, it's exactly what customers are used to, where we are picking the fields from the left-hand side, which would be the raw EDI that has been transformed into JSON. And then we're choosing which NetSuite field on the right that it needs to go to. So when I click on a new tile or a new option here, I can pick any one of these fields and then select on the right-hand side and choose from any of my NetSuite fields in my NetSuite account on the sales order record. So if I wanted to, I could map the vendor ID number to the shipping tax rate.